Hi everyone, I am Rajkumar Deka here. I hope you are all good. Today I have brought for you an interesting video. The video will be on Chinese app. Recently, our Indian government has decided to ban all Chinese app. That is very good decision taken by our government, and I like that. Even you have to support that things. And my question is here: why government has decided to ban all Chinese app this time? Because there are maybe many reasons. So now itself Indians can feel safe themselves. Earlier whatever we are using Chinese app, our government think from the Chinese app many country or our particularly our enemy country get many information related to our security. So that is why maybe our government has decided to take this type of decision, and maybe economic reason also. Earlier whatever we are using Chinese app, from all those Chinese app, our enemy country particularly China, they were earning lots of money and we are losing lots of money. There are maybe the main reason maybe. And another thing, I have to salute our honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He has decided himself to do something. That is why government has decided to ban all Chinese app, and government now wants Indians to rely on self-reliance, because this is very important to develop our country and to reach the maximum level of growth. And this is one more thing that, like, see, our young generation get benefit from these things also. Many young people will get job in various software company to create new software, new apps like Chinese app, so that Indian people can use and get benefit. Once I remember Bill Gates, you know very well about Bill Gates. Bill Gates said, I always prefer Indian to engage in my software company. I think so. Why he said like that? He said himself, he himself said, so Indians are really, they have the talent, they have that capacity to create a new software like me. So that is why I always prefer Indians to engage in my company. So that is really amazing one. Really we have to support, really we have to think that we are really talented. Next level I want to jump actually. So I have to salute and I have to respect our soldier also, because they have been fighting all the time. They have been fighting all the time in our border. This time also they are fighting with Chinese soldiers, and they were actually really, they were saving us, and we are staying at home very good, without any hesitation, without any fear. So that is why I have to support, I have to say, and you have to say, I love my India, and you should love your country India. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.